this video, we will show you how to crop video on Windows. In here, we will using Movavi Video Editor. If you need this software, you can download link on the description. After you open the Movavi Video Editor, you can select your video first. For example, I have a video about Messi footballer in here. And this is the original video. I want to crop just like this. For example, in here you can open the video files using Add Media Files here. Then you can select your video clip. Then in here I will not using volume. In here you can just go to this section or this menu. Please select crop in here. Then you can adjust this, select the rectangular that you want to keep. For example, you want just to keep this. After that, you can also make the angle is look like this, but I just want this is the default for angle, and click apply after you done. And in here you will see, okay, this is the edited files and this is the original files. Okay, this is after edit and this is before edit. Okay, that's all tutorial how to crop video files on Windows. After you are finished editing, you can just export the result via this button, and this is, you can select what device and size you want, and you can just click start, and this is the location for your results. Hope this video helpful for you.